All right, I got a 1998 Jeep Cherokee Sport with a 4.0 V6 engine. Okay, the problem is, look, it has brand new rotors, brakes. When I'm driving, after like a couple minutes, sometimes 10 minutes, sometimes 30 minutes, the brakes start applying, like they get hard, and I can smell them burning. The problem, okay, I want to show you what you need to do. You don't even need to take the wheel off or nothing. Got a bucket right there. Okay, let me show you. You see this right here? Right here. If you turn this and it releases the pressure from your caliper, then your brake calipers ain't bad. These are lubricated and everything. Okay? The problem is, and this look, you go on Amazon, less than $10. You see this hose right here? Right here, this is your brake line, and this is the brake hose. You see it right here? What happened is it collapses inside. So it builds the pressure. And that's the problem. It doesn't go back and forth. This thing has, let me tell you, man, the whole brake system is brand new on this thing, except for the calipers. I don't need to replace the calipers because they're good. Because, like I say, turn this right here. It releases pressure. Then, not your caliper. Your calipers are working. It's your hose right here. This hose. Go on Amazon. It's less than $10. So, yeah, there you go. That's how you fix it. This is Michael. Subscribe. And if you have any questions, then just leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.